Episode 2, The Power of the Camera Angle, How Facts Get Hidden on Purpose. Trial and Jury Manipulation Series. Part 2 of 10. Please like and follow for more. A camera can tell the truth, but it can also hide it. And in court, the angle you don't see matters more than the one you do. Here's the trick nobody warns juries about. A drainage dispute can be completely rewritten with nothing more than a camera tilt. Plaintiffs film a storm. They point the lens at a small patch of pooled water. They narrate the defendant is blocking stormwater. But what the jury never sees is everything sitting just outside that frame. The riprap channel carrying water exactly where it's supposed to go. The active flow line running only a few feet away. The trespass point where their own diverted water enters the public basin. The infrastructure they don't want the court to notice. By cropping the shot, they erase the evidence while pretending to reveal it. And the camera angle becomes the lie. Most jurors don't know stormwater. They don't know riprap, grade, slope, or engineered diversion. So when they see a cropped video, they assume they're seeing the whole scene, when they're really seeing a curated slice. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Tilt the camera left. The active water channel disappears. Tilt it down, the exit path is gone. Zoom in. The jury only sees the puddle, not the flow. Block the right side, the trespass point vanishes. Walk 5 feet forward. The drainage angle is distorted. By controlling the frame, the plaintiffs control the narrative. You get portrayed as the blocker, while the actual flow, the water moving freely through riprap, is deliberately cropped out, invisible to the jury, and never acknowledged by counsel. A camera angle doesn't just show evidence, it hides the truth, and juries rarely realize they're being guided, not informed. Every piece of land has a story. Follow LandUnlocked to uncover the laws beneath it.